Simple present. I walk every day. Present continuous. I am walking right now. Present perfect. I have worked recently. Present perfect continuous. I have been walking for 2 hours. Past simple. I walked last night. Past continuous. I was walking last night. Past perfect. I had walked before I slept. Past perfect continuous. I had been walking when the guests arrived. Simple future. I will walk tomorrow. Future continuous. I will be walking tomorrow. Future perfect. I will have walked by 8 o'clock tonight. Future perfect continuous. I will have been walking when you arrive tomorrow.